CRCL stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? We'll watch this 2-minute video till the end to find out. Over the last 5.5 years, I've documented 48,000 trades in market analysis on this channel. And with all this data, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. One thing that I'm going to say with Circle Internet Group is that this thing is pumping like I'm a MF, right? It's good. I mean, from a higher time frame chart, I just like how it's been pumping lately. Finally started putting some bullish structure, right? And so I'm anticipating new higher highs to be made here. I just kind of like the back down that we had here because it's just flashing a bit deeper. Never got me a double break from there, so therefore I'm not playing with that. You can also see that I do have previous CRCL receipts right here. You see I have 56 actual receipts, dude. That's a lot, right? Isn't 56 a lot? You know what I mean? So going back into it, this is not clear for me whatsoever. Like, even though we had like a flush or whatever, so the price came down, grabbed some orders. For me to really be bullish, I want to see the lows get taken out and not start to accumulate from here, and then hopefully beyond. But dude, randomly buying's not happening, so I'm just keeping an eye and just showing you exactly. For me now, it's a worthless market, but I'll keep an eye. And there's far better setups that I'm showing you real-time alerts, updates on real-time trading in the Discord. But either way, if you want to get my exact 3-step technical strategy that I've refined over the last 5 years, and it's printing for me personally, then just click the first link in the description. It's free.